Oh my goodness, you guys, this alphabet a la mode is free during celebration, and I had to walk you through why this is such a must-have in your crafting arsenal. First of all, you can use the adhesive sheets to attach your alphabets to your projects. Just remove the backing and then attach it to your coordinating cardstock, and then flip it over, and you're going to line up your dies how you want them to be cut. I just staggered them right next to each other, and then I used a piece of masking tape to secure them onto the cardstock. And then I ran it through my machine, sandwiching it through the plates. And then as soon as I cut it through, I carefully removed the dies from the backing. And then I used that take your pick tool to get them out of the actual die. And then I also used the take your pick tool to separate it so that I could attach it to my project. And I love using those adhesive sheets because it makes attaching to the cardstock so nicely. And then as soon as you've got your title, you can accent with some fun little embellishments, and that's all there is to it. So I'd love to share with you this workshop. Drop your comments down below. What did you like about this set?